Wagwan guys, it's your girl Nishoy and I'm back with another video. So today I'll be doing the best friend does my makeup challenge, but there's gonna be a twist to it. So if you want to see the rest of the video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe and turn on your notifications. This is Shanoy.
You're sure of Shanoy?
And this is Shania.
You're sure of Shanoy?
Yeah, of course we're sure. So Shanoy is gonna do this side of my face, and Shania is gonna do this side of my face.
Hey,
so once you're finished, I want you to comment in the comment section and tell me which one did a better job. Alright guys, so we're gonna jump straight into this video. Are you ready?
Yeah. Alright, you're not gonna know.
Alright, mama.
So, basically, we can go use PR or something. What's that?
Them don't know what to do. Like me, I
Whatever, girl, turn around.
I want that little figure.
I said she go in. So, me have to put it by your face. So, when me put on the makeup, give me style of food. If you want me to find by you. Me have my own.
Well, yeah, put it on the wall. Tell me something.
Okay, remember if you prime upon your face, you see me? Yeah? Push. Okay, stay up your side, bro. Yo, Leah, one piece. Sit there, over there, stop you.
Alright, we can wrap me eye.
Alright, so Nisha, is this your foundation, right?
So one use their setting spray on this side and the other use primer.
You know, say my makeup on the So you feel, you do your makeup. Come in.
ended of this you enjoy.
Guys, that was the competition, guys. So you can go ahead and grade them in the comment section again.